opening a pathology report can feel overwhelming, but it is simply a map of what's happening in your body. In this video, we are breaking down the key sections you need to look for. First, look at the clinical history. So this is what your doctor told the pathologist before the exam. Next one is the gross description, which is a simple physical look at the tissues, size, weight, and color. Then the microscopic description, which is where the pathologist explains what the cells look like under a lens. And then one of the most vital parts is the histologic grade, which tells us how much the cancer cells look like healthy cells. Then there is staging, often shown as TNM, which tracks the size of the tumor and if it has spread. Then there is check the margins section. Negative or clear means no cancer cells were found at the edge of the removed tissue. Finally, the diagnosis or summary is the bottom line, which is the final word on the findings. Remember, this report is a tool for your medical team. Always discuss these results directly with your oncologist. This was all. Thanks for watching.